It's time to give my favorite girls a treat. Now their goodies today is a mix of sourdough starter discard, zucchini, black oil sunflower seeds, and some oats. So lots of yummy goodness for these girls who know they're about to get a treat. They're excited, so let me get in there and give it to them. I think they like it. You coming back for more? Oh, yes. Definitely getting our black oil sunflower seeds from Mrs. Soka. She's going through a molt right now, so I want to give her lots of extra yummies to help get those feathers back. So happy girls.